Welcome to your URBANDI floating shelf. Inside the box, you will receive your shelf, mounting bracket, hardware bag, and installation instructions. To install the shelf, you will need a drill or a screwdriver, stud finder, level, and a pencil. Using a stud finder, locate the studs on your wall and mark their location with a pencil. A stud installation is highly recommended. If no studs are available and you have drywall, you can use provided anchors. If you have a brick wall or a tile wall, you can use appropriate anchors for your particular wall. Here are the anchors that we recommend for a brick or tile wall. Put the bracket against the wall. Using a level, make sure the bracket is level. Keeping the screws as close to the rods as possible will allow the shelf to hold maximum weight while ensuring that the shelf stays level. Using an impact driver and provided screws, drive the screws into the wall to secure the bracket. Make sure to have screws on both the top and bottom of the bracket. If you are using anchors, pre-drill holes where your anchors will go. Now that your bracket is installed, you can align the holes on the back of the shelf with the rods and slide your shelf onto the bracket. If your shelf is tilted down or up, remove your shelf and the mounting bracket. Drive in extra screws behind the bracket almost all the way to act as shims. If needed, back the screws out an appropriate amount to level your bracket. Reinstall your mounting bracket and your shelf. If your shelf has any wobble, or your shelf comes out of the bracket too easily, apply some duct tape or electrical tape to one or two of the rods to get the desired friction level.